Hey guys, this is a video for those of you who are tired of looking at their maintenance required light, which usually pops out as a reminder to change your oil on a Toyota Camry. This is a 2014 model, but a lot of them that are around that time range have the same sequence. Here is what you need to do to clear out that maintenance required light. Insert your key into the ignition and advance it 2 clicks. Then you will need to keep pressing on your selector knob or reset button until you find trip A. After you find trip A, move your key back 1 click, then press that selector knob and hold it. While you're holding it, move your key back to the 2-click position. Keep holding that reset button until you hear a series of 5 long beeps like this. And voila! That pesky light is gone. Now you can enjoy driving your car without being bothered by that maintenance required light. Though in my case, I still have to deal with this low tire pressure light too. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.